Hey y'all, here's a little help on your area and similar figures homework that you got while I was out. So for starters, area of a circle is pi r squared, which is pi times r. And the circumference of a circle, I like to use pi times diameter. You can also use 2 pi r, but pi times diameter is quicker. Okay? So I've got to define my radius and my diameter. My radius here is 10. My diameter will then be 20. My circumference would be pi times diameter, which is 3.14, and my diameter is 20. So I will multiply 3.14, C equals 3.14 times 20. Area, A equals pi r squared. Pi is 3.14, r is 10, r squared is 100. You've already done a problem like this. A equals 3.14 times 100. Here, this is my diameter because I can make a D for diameter. So this is 12. Half of that would be 6. C equals pi times diameter. C equals...
Mommy, everybody left. It's time for us to leave too.
Okay, hold on, Joan. I need to finish making this video. Pi equals 3.14. D equals 12. I need you to go. I am filming a video, sweetie. 3.14 times 12. This should be in your multiples. This should be done already. A equals pi r squared. Pi is 3.14. R is 6. R squared is 36. So we've got to do some math here. 3.14 times 36. A stadium floor that is in the shape of a circle. A circle has a diameter with a length of 50 yards. What is the area of the circle on the stadium floor? If D equals 50, what is R and what is R squared? Once you have determined that, you could say A equals pi times R squared. Pi is 3.14. R squared is some mystery number. A equals 3.14 times that mystery number. 4. A flower bed surrounds the base of a tree. It is enclosed by stones to form a circle that measures 25.12 feet around. So around means I'm going around in a circle. I have made the circumference, which equals pi times diameter. What is the radius? Once I find the diameter, because they're giving me the circumference, 2512 equals pi times d, what did I multiply pi by to get 25.12 and then divide diameter by 2 to get my radius? Next, area of rectangles and parallelograms. A equals BH. A also equals BH. Base and height form a right angle. So remember the L going up and down for your height and left and right for your base. Formula, A equals BH. I would turn this into a decimal. 7.5. Plug in values. A equals 15 times 7.5. Here is my base and height. A equals BH. A equals 12.5 times 3.7. Multiply. This is going to be my L. So this is my base and this is my height. I do not need a slant. Remember, when we go to the doctor, we don't stand at a slant for them to take our height. A equals BH. A is 8 times 2.2. Then you'll multiply. Number 3. Leave this as a fraction And then you could turn this into an improper fraction. 2 1/2 and 4 1/3. Multiply, then add. Multiply, then add. Hey, I'm making a video for my kids. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5/2. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13/3. Multiply. A equals BH. A equals 5/2 times 13/3. Number 5. A broken rectangular shaped window is being replaced. There's my shape. It measures 24 inches by 18 1/4 inches. How many square inches of glass are needed to repair the window? Draw a picture to help. 24, 18 1/4. Convert to a decimal. 18 point blank blank. A equals BH. B equals 24. H equals 18 point blank blank. A equals 24 times 18 point blank blank. Work it out. Base and height. Parallelogram below is being covered with carpet. The carpet is priced at $2.80 per square meter. So after I find the area, I need to find the cost. So A equals BH. B is 8.1. H is 3.5. And then it's times 2.80. Bye. Y'all have a good one. A equals 8.1 times 3.5 times 2.8. That will be your answer. Do 2 numbers at a time first and then multiply by the third. Last but certainly not least, similar figures in scale drawings. You need to make proportions. Proportions are 2 equal ratios. Set up and solve for the missing side length of each set of figures below. Use the number bank to help you check your solutions. Not all numbers will be used. So here, make a ratio. 21 is to 7, as 6 is to x. Make a ratio. They want to know what x and y are. Oh, so you need 2 ratios here. You could do 8 to 12 and y to 9. And then you can do x to 9 and 3 to 12. Whoops. X over 9, 3 to 12. Here, number 3. It says the triangular prisms shown below are similar. What are the values of x and y? And again, you need 2 proportions here. I'll say 20 and y, and 8 and 4. And then you get to figure out the other one. But you need x in there somewhere. And then what is x? This goes with that. And we could say this, should be a box, goes with this. Number 5, the figure below is a scale drawing of a garden. As soon as I see scale, I know I need to make a ratio. If the scale uses a 1/4 inch is 3 feet, then what is the perimeter of the actual garden? So this is a 1/2 inch, and I need to multiply by 0.25, because that's a 1/4, and multiply this by 0.25, and also turn this into a decimal, and turn this into a decimal, and then find all the sides all together. So this is 1 3/4, and this is 1/2 inches, and then add all sides. I will say that 1 3/4 equals 1.75 times 0.25 to get this ratio up here, and 1/2 equals 0.5, and then I'll multiply by 0.25. And I'll have 2 of these plus 2 of these. I'm almost done, Jenna. Last, a 2-story building measures 21 feet from the ground. 21 feet. A scale model shows, oh, I guess I should draw the whole building. Shows the building to be 3 inches tall. How many inches would an 84-foot building be in the model? So then that's 21 to 3. And then an 84-foot building would be 84 to x. All right, make ratio tables. 8 to 12 and 9. Skip. Let me do an example of 21, 6, and 8 to 12. Whoops. Hold on, what was that answer? 21 over 6 and then 7. And then I want 7 here. So how do I get from 21 to 7? Divide by 3 on the left, so I divide by 3 on the right. And then the other example was 8 and 12. And the goal is to get to 9 and x. Okay, I gotta do something with the 8 and 12 first because I can't go from 12 to 9. I can go from 12 to 3. That's divided by 4. And divide that by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Now I can get from 3 to 9 by doing something else. So that's an example of making a ratio table, or you could do 8, 12, x, 9, divide 12 by 8, and then multiply by 9. Same thing up here, 21, 6, 7x. Divide 21 by 6, and then multiply by 7. All right, good luck. Show work. I will be checking work before I let you turn it in. Have a good one.